Hey everyone, welcome back to our English speaking practice series. Today is part 3. In this lesson, you will learn 21 restaurant English question and answers. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's begin. Welcome. How many people? 2 people, please. Welcome. How many people? 2 people, please. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. Can I see the menu? Sure. Can I see the menu? Sure. What would you like to eat? I would like a burger. What would you like to eat? I would like a burger. What would you like to drink? A glass of water, please. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Would you like anything else? No, thank you. Would you like anything else? No, thank you. Is the food spicy? No, it's mild. Is this food spicy? No, it's mild. Can I have a less spicy food? Yes, of course. What do you recommend? A special pasta. What do you recommend? A special pasta. Is this dish vegetarian? Yes, it is. Is this dish vegetarian? Yes, it is. Do you have chicken? Yes, we do. Do you have chicken? Yes, we do. Can I get extra cheese? Sure. Can I get extra cheese? Sure. May I have a spoon? Here you are. May I have a spoon? Here you are. Can I have some ketchup? Certainly. Is the food ready? Almost ready. Is the food ready? Almost ready. How does it taste? It's delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Certainly. Can I have the bill, please? Certainly. How much is it? It's $20. How much is it? It's $20. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Keep the change. Thank you. Keep the change. Thank you.